Good day everyone, my name is Hanusri and today I'll be presenting about Introduction to Newspaper in Education, also known as NIE. So NIE promotes the literacy by using the articles from newspapers or other mediums as a teaching tool. NIE consists of two parts, which are article and also mind map. So what is an article? An article is a piece of writing written for a large audience to make a difference to the world. The topics of interest will be the writers or it may be related to some current issues. These are the example of articles. So you can abstract an article from a newspaper, from a magazine or even online. So moving on to mind map. So what is a mind map? A mind map is a creative diagram in which information is represented visually and usually with a central idea placed in the middle and the associated ideas are arranged around it. So these are the examples of the mind map. So as you can see here, the central idea is placed in the middle and the associated ideas are arranged around it. So steps to do in NIE. So step 1, find an article. So as I mentioned before, you can abstract an article from a newspaper, a magazine or even online. Step 2, you have to read the article. Step 3, highlight the points. Step 4, do mind mapping based on your creativity. And step 5, present the mind map. Explain what you read and understood in detail and make a video out of it. So the time limit for this video is 5 to 7 minutes. So steps to highlight in an article. First thing you need is a few colorful highlighters to differentiate the points and supporting details from the article. Okay, so step 1, you have to read through the article carefully. Think carefully about the main points in the text. Step 2, look at the headline or the title. It often broadly summarizes the main topic of a news or magazine article. Step 3, identify the topic sentences in each paragraph in the article. Step 4, highlight the topic sentence as it is the main point of the paragraph. Step 5, identify other supporting details or evidence in that particular paragraph. Highlight it with a different color. Step 6, summarize the main points and supporting points of all the paragraphs and transfer them into a mind map. Now I'm going to tell you about the steps to make a mind map. The first step is create a central idea. The central idea is the starting point of your mind map and represents the topic you're going to explore. This should be in the center of your mind map. I've shown you the examples of mind map before and you can see that the topic and the central idea is always in the middle. The second step is add branches to your map. The main branches which flow from the central idea are the key themes. Next, add child branches to the main branches. The child branches are usually the supporting details. Third step is fill in the branches with keywords. The keywords must be short, simple and should not be long in sentences. The fourth step is color code your branches to differentiate the points. Color code also makes the mind map look attractive. The last step is include images. Rather than conveying more information in words and sentences, you can also add images to convey the point. Next, I am going to show you an example of NIE. This article is abstracted from a magazine with the title of Tamanagara Explore the Truly Tropical Life. In this article, they use 3 different highlighters because it enables us to differentiate the main ideas and the supporting details. Next, this is a mind map based on the article before. As you can see here, the central idea is placed in the middle, the main ideas are placed around it, and the child branches are the supporting details. Now, moving on to the exercise. This article's title is Why is Homework Important? And there are another 2 parts which are Does homework affect academic achievement and how much homework is reasonable? As you can see here, the repeated words from those 3 sentences are homework, which is the central idea of the article. Therefore, why is homework important? Does homework affect academic achievement? And how much homework is reasonable are the main ideas of this article. So the first main idea of the article is why is homework important? I have highlighted on the supporting details which are review, apply and integrate, prepare, self-discipline, time management, independently, personal responsibilities, locating, organizing, condensing information, libraries and other reference resources. Next, the second main idea of this article is does homework affect academic achievement? I have highlighted the supporting details with a different color. The supporting details are increased grades, helps to develop children's initiative and responsibilities, long-term academic development, develop the strong study skills. Lastly is the third main idea, which is how much homework is reasonable. I have highlighted the supporting details with a different color. So the supporting details are kindergarten through grade 3 up to 20 minutes each day, grades 4 through 6 from 20 to 40 minutes each day, grades 7 through 12 is generally up to 2 hours but according to the type and number of subjects. Next, moving on to the mind map that I've made based on the article. As you can see here, the central idea is in the middle, which is the homework. And the main ideas are: why is homework important? Does homework affect academic achievement? How much homework is reasonable are the main ideas. It is around the central idea. And the child branches are the supporting details. That's all from me. Thank you very much.